Square Payroll's Instant Pay lets you use the funds in your Square balance to pay your team the next business day or instantly when they use Cash App. If you don't already store a Square balance or have a Square card, go to your Square dashboard, Transfer Settings, and select Manual Transfer Schedule. This will disable your automated nightly transfers and you will begin to store a Square balance. Next, go to Payroll, Bank Accounts, and select Square Balance for team payments. With Instant Pay, you no longer need to submit payroll 4 days in advance. You can hold on to your cash longer and run payroll as late as 1 business day prior to your pay date. Just run payroll in the regular pay run flow and your team will get paid on time. If your Square balance has insufficient funds to cover your team's net pay, you can add funds to your balance with a linked debit card or switch back to a regular bank account. To pay your team right away, choose to pay out instantly or run an off-cycle payment with Instant Pay at any time. Your team gets paid the next business day or instantly through Cash App. For more information, visit square.com/help and search keywords Instant Pay.